In today's video I will show you how to scan documents using VisionKit inside your React Native application. Now this video is only for iOS because VisionKit is an Apple product or an Apple library, and but there is a good news for Android as well, because in this Google I/O, and Google just announced that they will be adding scanning of documents library inside MLKit as well. Right off now they have not yet launched it, but yeah, they will launch it by end of year, so I will make that video later on. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, I have created a React Native application, and you will have to enable the new architecture. So as this is an iOS thing only, so I will only concentrate on iOS. So you will have to run this inside your terminal, cd to iOS directory, and run this. So this will enable the new architecture. Now we will have to enable turbo native modules, so you can go through these docs, but I will quickly go through this. So first I have created a folder called RTN my document scanner. Next, I have created a package.json file, and again everything is copy pasted from docs, only this name has been changed, this has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Next, I have created a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again the naming is important, and I have copy pasted it from docs. I have just created a method called scan document, and this name has been changed. Then I have created a podspec file. Again this name has been changed, everything else is copied from docs. Now next what you have to do is you have to run this command yarn add dot slash rtn my document scanner, and you have to run this at the root of your React Native project in terminal. Then you have to do cd dot dot, so you will have to do cd dot dot, it will move you outside your React Native project. And after that you will have to run this command. So in this command, thing which you need to change is, so my full project name is rnapp3, so I have used it over here, here, and here. So change it according to your needs, and this is my folder name. Okay, next you have to cd to your main iOS directory. So first cd to your project, then cd to your iOS directory, and once you do that you will have to run this command again. So this will create a pod of your rtn my document scanner. So yeah, just run this command. Next, open the iOS folder inside Xcode. Yeah, before that I will show you guys the output, which I forgot to show you at the start. So here you can see I have a button, and it opens a document scanner. And once it tries to scan a document, given that this is an image, that's why it is struggling to scan the document. Otherwise for real life documents it does proper scanning, if you keep your document on a table or something. But even though it is struggling, like I will just click on capture the photo, and you can manually crop the actual image as well. So here you can see I'm manually cropping it, and once that is done you just click on keep scan, and then click on save button. So once you click on the save button, I'm showing it inside our app, and you can scan multiple documents as well, so you're not limited. So first of all, you have to create my document scanner Swift file, and Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Click yes. Inside bridging header add this import. Next, create this header file. Again this has been copied from docs, only file name has been changed over here and over here. Next, you have to create an Objective-C file, and then make sure the extension is .mm, so you have to manually change it. Next, you have to import foundation. Again this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed. This should be your bridging header name. So here you can see my bridging header name is rnapp3 dash swift.h is common for everyone. Then this name has been changed. Here we are creating a initializing our Swift file, and this again copied from docs, only this name has been changed. And here we are overriding the scan document method, and here we are trying to run this on the main thread. So we are calling scan method of our Swift file. Next, you have to create a event header as well, so that's what I have done. Next, an event header Objective-C file as well, to send data from native side to React Native side. And you will have to create a prefix header as well. So to create a prefix header, just click write new file and search for pch. So pch, so this is a prefix header file. Click next and click create. I already have it, so I won't create it again. And inside the prefix header you will have to add this VisionKit. You don't need to add AV foundation, but you need to add this VisionKit, because we are using VisionKit inside Swift, like from Objective-C. That's why we'll have to do that. Next, you have to go over here go inside your info.plist, add this camera permission, as well as you will have to change your iOS deployment target to 14, as well as go over here and make sure this is 14 as well. Next, again go over here, go to build settings, search for Apple CLang. So over here, Apple CLang language, make sure this precompiled prefix header is yes, and inside the prefix header this should be the name of whatever your prefix header file name is. So type it manually. Here you can see this is my prefix header file. Next, the last thing is go to your Swift file, import React UI kit and Vision kit, and then extend VN document camera view controller delegate. And this is once the scan is called, we are opening the VN document camera view controller, and once you click on save, here you get a list of all the images which have been scanned. So in our case it is only one, so I'm just getting that one image and getting the file path for it. So here I have written helper code for it, as well as over here. And once we get the file path, I'm just sending it to the React Native side and dismissing of the controller as well. So yeah, I think that should be it. Thank you for watching. Wait, I'll show you how to use it as well. So inside over here I am just importing RTN my document scanner, and I have done an event emitter, an image URL, and inside use effect we are listening for our image URL, and in touchable opacity we are just calling the scan document method, and once we get the image URL we are displaying it inside our image view. So yeah, I think that should be it. Thank you for watching. Bye.